The mental competency hearing for the admitted Charleston church shooter will stretch into a second day. The hearing is to determine whether Dylan Roof, who admitted killing 9 people, is competent to stand trial. News 2's Ashley Yost is following this hearing, and Ashley, the judge ruled the hearing will stay closed despite pleas from families of the victims.
Carolyn, and the latest update we got was the judge will not make a decision today on Roof's mental competency. It will resume again tomorrow. And a lot of people have asked me what mental competency is. We talked to legal experts who said it's important to distinguish the difference between mental competency and insanity. Roof's lawyers are not arguing that Roof suffers from insanity. Mental competency can be re-evaluated. You can be competent today, but not tomorrow. A lawyer linked to the case explained it to me this way. He said competency means at this moment the defendant is not able to properly communicate and/or properly understand what's going on in court. These hearings are typically open to the public, but the judge decided to keep this hearing private to protect Roof's constitutional rights. Before that, he listened to victims' family members explain why they want to know what's going on. We talked to lawyer Andy Savage, who defends Michael Slager. He also represents some of the family members of the Emmanuel AME victims.
You know, victims have certain rights now that they didn't have 20 years ago, and it's very unusual for them to be denied access to a court hearing that impacts their lives. And Judge Gergel, who's highly respected for his intelligence and for the way he conducts a trial and the preparation for a trial, has determined from information that he knows that we don't know that it's in the long-term best interest for everyone to have this competency hearing close.
And the judge said he wants to get this right the first time around. Savage says the families he represents understand that. Carolyn?
Ashley, you've been there all day. Give us an idea of who you've seen go in and out of this hearing.
Well, Carolyn, the last time I was up there, they broke for a 10-minute break. Now, there were the lawyers that I recognized from this process, the prosecution lawyers, the defense lawyers. There were also a number of people that I didn't recognize. We know some of those are doctors because of the court documentation said doctor, then the name, the specific title was blacked out. So still a list of people, because this is private, we don't know who they are. They're expert witnesses testifying here today. Live in downtown Charleston, Ashley Yost, News 2.
Ashley, thank you.
Dear mama, I hope heaven's treating you well. I'm stuck here living on earth, and sometimes it feel like hell without the hatred and the violence and the killing going on. Mommy, this world is so cold without you here to keep me warm.
Chris Singleton's mother, Sharonda Coleman Singleton, was one of the victims in the Charleston church shooting last year. You are listening to Chris right here. He posted this video, a letter to you, mommy. In the video, he raps about how he wants to make his mother proud. That video was liked over 5,000 times and retweeted by more than 3,000 people, including our governor, Nikki Haley.